So if you want help creating a social media calendar, the best thing you can do is utilize ChatGPT. And to do so, all you have to do is enter this prompt that we have right here. So to begin, you're basically telling ChatGPT your objective. So for instance, we're giving it this prompt here. Act as a social media strategist. Help me create a monthly content calendar for, we'll just input our thing. Let's just say YouTube. Focused on tech tips, let's say, in the tech space. And so act as a social media strategist, and that's the first thing. We're defining what our objective is with that prompt. We're going to say define the posting frequency. So at this point, we're going to go ahead and remove this, and we'll keep the prompt there. And we'll go ahead and go to number 2, define the posting frequency and platform. So we'll remove this, and we'll also say, I want to post 3 times a week. Let's say we'll do 7 times a week on, we'll say, YouTube, just in and of itself, just to give you guys an idea, with themes, tech tips, behind the scenes, tech tips. Yeah, this we'll just leave it as is. That's fine. ChatGPT will suggest a schedule based on your frequency and type, so we don't need this. And we'll go ahead and ask it to generate the calendar. So the prompt will be like this. Where basically it'll say create a 4-week content calendar with dates, content type, caption ideas, and hashtags. And we can say also, please make it into a grid format. And we'll go ahead and click enter. And then by following this prompt that we created, you'll be able to see exactly what it creates for you, and you'll have a nice little calendar for your social media. Just give it 2 seconds. And then just like that, you have a downloadable and visual calendar that you can open up into full scale and see what it says. So for instance, August 1st, you'll be able to, which is the Friday. Is that correct? That's not the correct date. Oh yeah, that's correct. So for Friday, August 1st, for instance, you give a shorts tutorial, tech tip, caption idea, and it gives you some hashtags. And it basically creates a whole idea for the month of August for your calendar, and you can adjust it accordingly. To say, for instance, if you want to do it a little longer, a little shorter, how many times you want it per week, you can adjust the prompt however you like. However, this is the perfect prompt for creating a social media calendar for any path of your choosing. So hopefully you found this helpful. If you did, please like and subscribe, and have a nice day.